Let's check out what's inside the brand new Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Showbag. Inside the Turtles Showbag, we've got this awesome backpack and these felt character masks. Get your friends together and dress up as the turtles. And these glow-in-the-dark stickers. We've got 4 little skateboards. And a flying disc. You also get 2 assorted character stampers. And you get to collect 10 of these characters. A Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle pencil case. A mini basketball set. And all of this comes packed inside this tote bag. Jump online at showbags.com.au and get it delivered.